In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro using Ultra Key. By the end, you'll have a clean key and a subject that blends naturally with a new background. Start by importing your footage into your project and dragging your green screen clip onto the timeline. Make sure it sits on its own video track so you have room underneath for the background you'll add later. If your clip needs trimming, do that now to keep your workspace tidy. Next, apply the Ultra Key effect. Go to the Effects panel, open Video Effects, then Keying, and drag Ultra Key onto your green screen clip on the timeline. With the clip selected, head to Effect Controls so you can dial in the settings. Under Ultra Key, choose the key color by clicking the eyedropper, then sample a representative area of the green background in your program monitor. Pick a spot that reflects the average green, not a shadowy corner or a hot spot, for the most even result. You should see a big chunk of the green disappear right away. Now it's time to refine the matte. In the matte generation section, adjust transparency to control how aggressively the green is removed. Use pedestal to lift the darker parts of the green and balance it with highlight and shadow to keep your subject intact without reintroducing noise. For a more precise view while you work, you can switch the Ultra Key output temporarily to Alpha Channel to see pure black and white edges, then switch back to Composite, move to Matte Cleanup to polish the outline, increase choke slightly to tighten any fuzzy borders, then add a touch of soften so the edge doesn't look cut out. Small adjustments go a long way here. Aim for a natural feathered edge that still feels crisp. If you notice a green tint on your subject,